Welcome to PaxelPro. Hello friends, my name is Baharuddin and I am the founder of PaxelPro. First of all, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for installing PaxelPro. Before we begin, I have a small request. Please do not skip this video and watch it until the end because in the next few minutes, I am going to show you features of PaxelPro that you might not have even imagined. Friends, what happens in our mobile phones these days? We have a separate app for recharge, a separate app for shopping, a separate app for movies, a separate app for jobs, a separate app for AI tools, and a separate app for building websites, separate apps for courier tracking and government services. Slowly, our mobile phones get filled up with so many apps. I felt this problem too. And while searching for a solution to this problem, I started building PaxelPro. It took me almost 3 years to build this app. My goal was not just to build an app. My goal was to provide useful resources on a single platform for students, workers, business owners, YouTubers, freelancers, and general users alike. Now, let's start the app tour. At the very top, you will see the menu button. Inside this menu, tutorial videos, privacy policy, terms and conditions, contact us, referral program, business ad option, and many important settings. If you want to know the app rules, you can read the privacy policy. If you have any problems, you can get help from the contact section. If you are an influencer, YouTuber, or promoter, the guidelines for the referral program are also available right here. If you have a unique business, you can send a request to include it in the platform through the business ad option. Now, to the right of the menu, you will see the share button. If you like Pexel Pro, you can share it on WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, and other platforms. After this, you will see the notification button. Whenever there is a new feature, update, or announcement, you will get the information right here. Next, you will see the QR scanner button. This feature is very useful. If you have any website, form, payment link, or other information, you can scan it and open it immediately. The biggest advantage is that it opens the link inside the Pexel Pro app in a secure browser. You don't need to leave the app and go to any other browser at all. Now below this, we have the video slider on the Pexel Pro homepage where we showcase the best and newest features of the app. Sometimes see paid advertisements here as well, meaning if anyone wants to personally promote their business or product, you will see their ad on this slider. Below this, you see the search bar. And honestly, this is one of the most powerful features of Pexel Pro. If you type only 2 or 3 letters of an app, the related apps appear immediately. Even if there is a typing mistake, the search engine tries to show similar results. Additionally, the search code feature is also available. A unique search code is given for almost every category. If a user enters that code in the search bar, they reach that specific category page directly. Now, below the search bar, you see the Learnify Online Academy. This is not just a course section, it is an English learning platform designed especially keeping our Hindi and Bengali speaking brothers and sisters in mind.